In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to move scene to beginning on Google Vids. First, open up your project in Google Vids and go down to Timeline. This is where all your scenes are arranged in order. Now here, find the scene you want to move. The next is click and hold the scene in Thumbnail, then simply drag it to the far left all the way to the start of the timeline. When you see the placement line at the beginning, release your mouse. Your scene will instantly become the first scene in the video. Google Vids automatically shifts the other scenes to the right so everything stays in order without deleting anything. This is perfect for rearranging intros, adding title screens, or fixing your video flow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!